Greetings folks, this is your rope dartist, Rolling Fire Dragon, and today we will be going over how to cartwheel with your rope dart along the wall plane without interrupting your flow or breaking your spin momentum. Now some prerequisites that you'll need to drill in will be traversing your saddle hops, collecting your slack, executing a one-handed cartwheel, and using your anchor hand to transition into either a tapered off stall or to enter a dragon wrap. The idea is to align yourself with the wall plane during the saddle hop so that the cartwheel and the plane run parallel, and so that the spin is as close to your center when the rope dart starts rising, making it easier to collect the slack with your anchor. This then frees up your hand to execute the lead side cartwheel. You want to time this by isolating your hand with the spin of the dart. Lift off with the anchor foot and push off with the lead. Now try to keep your legs straight in the air and try to maintain a locked anchor arm in shoulder position stretched forward. Try to imagine throwing a straight punch when upside down, and then quasi-hugging yourself as you land. This will ensure the original spin doesn't lose any momentum. Land preparing to pivot with your anchor foot. This sets you up to enter the dragon wrap. Your hands will need to alternate grip points during the entry or cast. Anchor hand will be in blocking sun position, and lead hand will be collecting the slack. And you can take a step forward and let the lead spin wall plane lay over your neck and exit out of your empty knot as you see fit. Okay, let's further break this down into a few parts, starting off with footwork. Now, this is a lead spin wall plane cartwheel, but I like to enter the saddle region from a down spin wheel plane. Beginning from home position, which is anchor forward front stance, you're going to bring your lead foot forward while you down spin into your saddle region. The dart will travel behind you in dark wall, stepping forward with your anchor foot. Anchor leg remains planted, while lead leg travels 180 to the lead side until you align with the wall plane. The dart, finishing its dark wall, will now emerge through the legs, rising towards your lead. Collecting the slack is next, as the dart continues to rise up out of the saddle region and in front of your anchor shin. With your anchor hand in overhand grip, collect the rope as it's coming up, then release the slack in your lead hand. But remember to keep the momentum of the spin going with your anchor hand. In entering the cartwheel, I find it helpful to isolate the dart's motion with my hand, planting my hand down when the dart is at 6 o'clock. Doing this in unison allows for 2 rotations in play while in the cartwheel, and it leaves you in great position to recover and control the dart upon landing. As soon as you land, you may want to keep on your anchor toes, as pivoting will help to carry the dart's motion into the next wrap, or pivoting can also help you to taper off the energy or the momentum into a stall. I tend to throw right into a dragon wrap or an overlord, but the point is that you can use this interchangeably and link it together with other moves. It does not have to be a stop and start motion. I particularly like this series of moves as it looks challenging to pull off, is flashy, and keeps me fast, while at the same time being recoverable and transitionary. Either way, I find it's a fun move, and I hope you all have fun trying it out. Feel free to leave me any comments if you have any questions, and I'm just going to leave you guys here with a few more examples and angles, and happy darting! Enjoy yourselves out there.